Understanding everything about Lossless and why LSS is a good investment. Cryptocurrency hacks are becoming more common as hackers become more sophisticated in their methods and technology continues to evolve. In 2022, investors lost more than $3 billion to hackers through a whopping 125 hacks, making it the most significant year on record for hacking since 2021, according to blockchain analytics company Chainalysis. The World Economic Forum has also warned that global instability could lead to a catastrophic cyber attack within the next 2 years. The main component as to why crypto companies get hacked is due to poor security measures. While cryptocurrency exchanges have beefed up their security protocols, many are still insufficient to prevent attacks. Crypto companies must regularly audit smart contracts, monitor threats, and implement robust security measures to protect themselves from hackers. This is no longer a nice-to-have feature, it's now a must. That's where Lossless comes in. Lossless incorporates a new layer of blockchain transaction security, protecting projects and their communities from malicious exploits and associated financial loss. In today's video, we'll talk about this new project launched in 2021 with a relatively low market cap. Lossless was designed to foster blockchain adoption by guaranteeing investors confidence and restoring trust in Web3 security architecture. In other words, it's all about securing the blockchain. So make sure you stick around till the end of this video. First, let's discuss what Lossless is. The Lossless protocol is the first tool that detects and stops hacks to help hacked companies retrieve their stolen assets. At its core, this protocol is a piece of code that token creators add to their projects. Lossless aims to create a trusted and safe DeFi ecosystem by minimizing losses from hacks, fraud, and exploits. Token creators can use Lossless to give the community of white hat hackers and security teams the ability to freeze and reverse any fraudulent transactions based on a set of fraud identification characteristics. Listening for on-chain events, watching for odd token behavior such as big transactions, liquidity pulls, and so on, and evaluating third-party reports such as public reports will help detect hacks or suspicious activities. After discovering and freezing the hack, the decentralized lossless decision-making body, consisting of the public key, token issuers, and LSS token holders, determines whether to recover the frozen transaction. With that, the Lossless protocol adopts the Tether model that uses some tools that can reverse transactions, freeze accounts, and destroy users' USDT tokens in case they lose access to their accounts, send assets to the wrong address, or if fraud occurs. Lossless completely transforms the Tether model by making it fully transparent and decentralized, allowing anyone to initiate the transaction freezing. At the same time, independent entities decide the fate of the transaction. How do Lossless work? By default, decentralized exchanges and wallets are focused on preventing hacks. However, the amount of stolen funds clearly shows that hack prevention fails to avoid losses. Lossless brings an alternative approach to improving the safety of DeFi. The nature of crypto tokens and transactions allows token creators to insert code into their tokens. As a result, it's possible to freeze any fraudulent transactions based on a set of fraud identification parameters, which enables post-fraud loss mitigation as a way to solve the security crisis in DeFi. The Lossless platform facilitates manual and automatic community-driven monitoring of suspicious on-chain activity. Malicious token transactions are frozen after being flagged and are subject to further investigation. The Lossless protocol is designed to reinforce the token security framework, ensuring project creators and their communities have a fail-safe against malicious exploits. The Lossless protocol implements an additional layer of blockchain transaction security for ERC20 standard tokens, mitigating the financial impact of smart contract exploits and private key theft. The Lossless protocol utilizes community-driven threat identification tools and a unique stakeholder-based reporting system to identify suspicious transactions, providing real-time protection. Here are some benefits of implementing Lossless. There is an infinite upside to implementing Lossless into your token, which will alleviate the risks of any DeFi project and help the entire ecosystem advance. The The compensation structure includes a 7% charge only after the hack has been controlled and the funds have been successfully restored. A 7% fee will then be paid to those responsible for discovering the hack and successfully limiting its impact. In addition, if a company is implementing Lossless, it's a way to assure token holders that the security of their assets is essential to the creators of the token. While holders add value to the project by acquiring, staking, or otherwise utilizing their issued tokens, the hack protection tool protects their interests. With Lossless becoming a new hack mitigation standard in DeFi, reducing the odds of the holder's funds being stolen is the easiest way to increase trust in the project and build mutually beneficial relationships within the community. Despite the buzz surrounding DeFi, token creators have to simultaneously think about the future of DeFi and acknowledge that mainstream adoption is impossible without ensuring safety in the space. The importance of new projects will also be defined by DeFi's brand. The ability of projects to keep their reputation intact across an ever-changing and highly volatile risk industry. Before DeFi can move from its initial stage into a full-blown financial market shaper, the security problem must be solved. At Lossless, they foresee partnerships and integrations with existing and upcoming token creators as their main priority. What makes Lossless unique? First, protecting your private keys. The Lossless protocol acts as a safety net for token holders, protecting them from the loss of funds associated with having their private keys compromised. Then, avoiding smart contract exploits. It implements a layer of security against smart contract vulnerabilities and the immutable nature of the blockchain that malicious actors attempt to take advantage of. Lossless also has unique features, including seamless LERC20 standard integration, automated real-time freezing of suspicious transactions, the efficient and evidence-based resolution mechanism, timely recovery of stolen funds, fees only charged on successfully preventing financial loss, advanced exploit identification and mitigation tools. Their compatibility. The LERC20 is a unique extension of the widely known and trusted ERC20 standard for fungible tokens. It has the same methods and interface as the tried and tested ERC20 standard and is fully compatible with all the DeFi building blocks already in place. Security architecture. Adopting the LERC20 standard enhances token security architecture without compromising prior integration or disrupting existing workflows. So, is LSS a good investment? LSS has a small market cap of about $14.4 million and 56% of its total supply is circulating, so it's safe to say that the project has a lot of room for growth. Their growth will depend on how blockchain enthusiasts react to the Lossless DeFi protocol's claim to prevent fraud on its platform. The LSS token has been used only within the platform thus far, and only the market's adoption of the Lossless protocol will decide how the token performs in the near to medium term. Lossless crypto is in a position to be the primary tool that helps secure the crypto ecosystem, which, in theory, could make it an excellent investment. Now that Ethereum is on board with the Lossless protocol, it will serve as an essential testing ground. If this DeFi solution delivers on its promise of preventing fraud and bot manipulation, the LSS token might be a solid investment. However, cryptos, including Bitcoin and other altcoins, are volatile, and investors must focus on every coin's real utility. If the project has value, its native token may have a good chance of increasing in value, which is what we see happening with the Lossless protocol. And there you have it. Thank you for taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to be the first to get future blockchain, crypto, Web3, NFT updates.